Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Yes, last night I prepared spicy caramelized onion pasta. This was a good meal. I even have leftovers. For the pasta I used linguine. I added a few things. Come on, you know me. I just can't leave things alone. I added a little bit of Worcestershire. I actually used some water. I did kind of the steaming method for the caramelized onions. It's not in this particular set of instructions. Yeah, and I used chili garlic paste instead of oil because I didn't have enough oil, to be quite honest. That jar is very deceiving because of all the pepper flakes that's in it. So yeah, try it. It's good. And I used sweet onions. Yeah. All right. Tonight, I'm preparing one of Robin's favorites from one of our favorite taquerias, Carne Adovada. I'm trying this. Adovada. Adovada. Basically translates to New Mexico red chili pork. Yeah. All right, let's get to it. This is a slow braised dish, hence the Dutch oven. The saute pan I'll get to in a minute. It has nothing to do with the pork. But basically, the pork will be braised. The house will smell wonderful. So here I got this wonderful piece of pork. Red New Mexico dried chilies, a little bit of oil, because something the pork does get sauteed before it gets braised. Garlic, half a yellow onion, kosher salt, black pepper. This is a super simple dish. Mexican oregano and Mexican cumin. You can substitute Mediterranean oregano and your regular old cumin that you have in your cabinet. But I have the Mexican versions. Just a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some chicken stock, and cilantro for garnish. And I'll be serving that with flour tortillas and a cheater box of Spanish rice. So here's the goodies for tonight's meal. So the saute pan is for the Spanish rice. Yeah. I'm either going to be using a blender and or a food processor to process the marinade, which is basically the red chilies, which get steeped, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, so I got a lot of work. Not a lot, but I got some work before dinner time. And the thing is, this will braise for about 2 to 2.5 hours. So yeah, like I said, the house is going to smell wonderful. So on this beautiful Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.